Today has been an interesting day. It was a Sabbath day. But then when I saw the clouds so dark, so foggy, I just said I should come out and do the poem, Does God Exist? Because the atmosphere today is just indicative of the notion of God not existing. And sometimes it feels as though God does not exist. When you look all around you, let's start with you as a person. When you look at the conflicts that are going in within yourself and the trials, temptations, but then even when you zoom outside and you hear about wildfires, like in this case, we're having these foggy clouds because there's wildfires in the US, to be specific, California, Washington, and Oregon. It's crazy. And many people are asking, does God really care? Does he exist? And in this poem, I share some of my thoughts on that, to say that actually, even though it seems that God does not exist, the overwhelming cry that the world has demands a God. It demands for a caring person. It demands that God exists. So the idea of God existing is not a theory that we come up with. It's what the very nature of things demand. There must be a God, or else life is meaningless. There must be a God, or else life does not make sense. I hope that makes sense.